Mama, dyan sa basa bakun,
Ito
guys.
mo.
Sino? Pangit niya ba? Sino yun?
Wait lang. Di ba?
Pangit!
Ayun o.
Si Sonic. Type raccoon. Bakit? Kuya Gigi, saan mo kinuha yung raccoon? May hatchman pala to. Oh. Raccoon.
Oh my God. Pwede ako mag-raccoon, pwede ako mag-night out, pwede ako mag-mango, pwede ako mag...
Paano?
Hindi ko naman, wait lang. Ayan, biggest.
Si Kuya Gigi, oh, raccoon. Wait lang, y'all, I'm a raccoon. The pink raccoon, so fun. That is Candy Blossom, all type. Okay, I said where is Candy Blossom. If someone says in my house, I will freak out. Wait. Dun, 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 dun. I made a conversation with a premium boy. His name is Saeed Abdoli. Let's see. Oh. Give me some more books. Okay, I left. That's it. Bye.